Hey guys, Fix Alex here. Today I'm gonna show you how to release emergency parking brake on this 2009 Audi A4. This car has electronic issues. I got power but I don't have ignition, and as you can see, it's not working. It's much more easier to do it from your trunk without removing the wheels. So this is your emergency parking brake module. Super easy to remove it. Pull this piece out and remove your module. Now we're gonna need to locate our terminals for our wheels. We have two motors, left and right side. So driver side, pin 14, pin 29. This is second. This is 14, this is 29. This is driver side motor, and passenger side 12 and 27, the bottom one. Two bottom terminals. This is a passenger side motor. Okay, so we're gonna apply power straight to your connector. So the second row from top, this is your driver side, and the bottom row, this is your passenger side. Right now the car is the only driver side is activated. I'm gonna show you in a second. I'm gonna put ground just like that for now. This is my positive terminal. Make sure to put light bulb just to protect your electric parts, and I'm gonna demonstrate to you. Look, the car is on parking brake right now. I cannot move it. I'm gonna stick it in. All right, now I'm gonna be able to move the car, as you can see. Now I'm gonna put back onto the emergency brake. I'm gonna swap the wires, and I'm gonna apply positive on the other side. Make sure, guys, you have correct terminals. Okay, that's it. Now it's on emergency brake again. Super simple. Be super gentle again. Two top, driver side, two bottom, passenger side. And this is your module. It's gonna work only if you have same module or similar module. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and comment where else should I record next. Thank you. Bye.